to enable camera on Roblox. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Roblox, go to settings. Now, the first thing to do here is to make sure that you are age verified and also your email address is verified. If not, you have to go to your email address and verify your email address. Also, you need to verify your age here. Okay, so the reason why it's because for you to avail or use this camera and of course microphone feature. Now, if you go to privacy and scroll down, you can see here that you can enable and disable these features here for microphone and camera. But our tutorial is all about how to enable camera on Roblox, so all you have to do is to enable this one. Now, once you're done with this, you can go back to your Roblox, and then this time, go to avatar, tap this one, and then go to characters. Specifically, you should go to this creation here. If you haven't created any avatar here, then you can go to head and body and then locate your face. Okay, so head and body, or let's just say head. So as you can see, we have two samples here. Now you have to make sure that you have selected this any of this with a sticker, okay? Because that means that the camera can detect your face if you have this sticker here. Okay, so you have to tap that one. Now once you're done selecting your head or face, you can go and search for that game. For example, camera hangout. Okay, so tap this one and then tap the game. Now you need to scroll down to make sure that under communication, you see here microphone and camera, both are available. Okay, okay, so once done, you can now click play or open the game. Okay, so now that you're here, all you have to do is to simply adjust the setting, go to settings, and make sure that camera settings, okay, is correct. Also same with your microphone if possible. So you just have to make sure that you're using the same camera. If you're using USB, then you have to select USB. If system, then you have to click or select system default. As you can see here, I can move my head, I can talk, and the camera can detect my face movement. Okay, and that's how easy it is to enable camera on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.